Ever wanted to make your edits stand out with a smooth cinematic punch? The time scrub loop transition is your secret weapon. Seamless, sleek, and downright mesmerizing. This effect will take your edits from basic to blockbuster. And guess what? You can master it right now in Adobe Premiere Pro. So buckle up because by the end of this video, I'm sure your timeline will never be the same again. So yeah, we are here on the timeline of the Premiere Pro. We have these two raw video clips. You can see it's quite boring. Now let's make an effect. So move the playhead in the center of the two clips and move the frame to 10 frames backward. Now mark a cut on the first video clip and duplicate the cut layer. Now right click on the cut layer and nest and hit OK. Now go to effects panel and search for posterize time. You can see the effect. Drag and drop this effect to the nested sequence. Now again go to effects panel and search for echo effect. You can see the echo effect. Drag and drop this effect too on the nested sequence. Now right click on the nested sequence and click on speed duration. Click on the reverse speed and change the time interpolation to optical flow and hit OK. Now let's see the preview of this video. You can see it's not quite smooth. So let's add a cross dissolve effect. Drag and drop this effect in the center of the two clips. You can see now it's quite smooth. Let's add an overlay to take it one step further. Let's add this time code effect and overlay. Adjust the time duration according to your transition. Now let's change the blend mode to screen. Now let's render it for the smooth playback. Now let's see the final preview. Yo, it's amazing. So do share and like this video and do subscribe for more amazing tutorials for Adobe Premiere Pro.